Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Check the battery. Ensure it is fully charged. Inspect connections. Tighten any loose terminals. Examine the starter motor. Listen for a clicking sound, indicating potential issues. Fuel system. Verify fuel level and pump functionality. Ignition system. Check spark plugs and wires for wear. Consult a professional mechanic if these steps don't resolve the issue.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.